Welcome back to the Zoom online session. So, after a long back, आपको इतने दिनों की छुट्टी थी, yes or no? So, now after so many days, we are meeting each other. So, hope everyone are safe at home. Now, before I start, I request all the parents, whenever you join the meeting, जब भी आप meeting join करते हो, तो आपको proper name से join करना है. You have to rename yourself. You have to rename your child's first name, then the surname, standard, division and roll number. जब भी आप मीटिंग ज्वाइन करते हो that time, joining के टाइम पे आपको रीनेम करके ही ज्वाइन करना है. So I think most of them were not able to join, were not attended the meeting. So here I'm going to just share the attendance sheet with you all so that you can wait a minute. I'm just sharing the attendance sheet with you. Wait a minute, parents. So that you can take the, you can note down your child's name, roll number. Yes. Now parents, this is for standard senior KG D class. Just take a screenshot of the same so that whenever you entry the join the meeting, you have to join in the same manner. See, आपको यहाँ पे first name, last name and the roll number, the serial numbers are the roll numbers. You have to join in this way. The green color is for the girl, the green color is for the girls and the remaining are for the boys. So whenever you join the meeting, you have to join in properly. First will be the name of your child, then surname, standard senior KG, division, whatever is the division, DEF, जो भी division है आपको mention करना है, and your child's roll number. In this way, you have to join the meeting. Hope you have taken the screenshot for the same senior KG D class. Now, next is for senior KG E class. Senior KG E class parent, just take the, note down your child's name. The green color is for the girls and the remaining names are the for the boy. Hope everyone can hear me. आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? If yes, type Y in the chat box. If everyone can hear me properly, just type Y in the chat box. Yes. Thank you, parents. Now, this is the list for senior KG E class. Parents, just note down your child's name and whenever you entry, you have to always enter with a proper name of your child. First will be the name of your child, surname, then standard, division and roll number whenever you join in. Now, next is for senior KG F class. This is the list for senior KG F class. The portion which is in the green color are the names for the girls and the remaining are the names for the boy. So parents, just note down the names of your children. Yes, yes, okay. These are the list for your children. Hope you all have noted down the names. Okay. Thank you very much, parents. So these were the list of your children. So accordingly, you have to join the meeting. अगर आपने properly rename नहीं किया है, so it will be very much difficult for us to identify who has joined the meeting और हम आपको फिर admit नहीं करेंगे. तो आपको problem हो जाएगा. तो so whenever you join the meeting, you have to join in properly. Okay. So welcome back everyone. So parents, today is our lecture for English. Today is our lecture for English and I'm going to show you how you are going to teach your child at home about rhyming words. आप rhyming words आपके बच्चों को घर पे कैसे सिखाओगे? And for the same, worksheet is already provided to you. आपको rhyming words के लिए already worksheets दिए गए हैं and I appreciate each and everyone that you have solved it very nicely. आपने उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सॉल्व किया है. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू ऑल हैव solved the worksheet very nicely. Okay, now here just I'm going to show you the easy way कि आप अपने बच्चों को घर पे rhyming words कैसे सिखाओगे. So for that, the concept of letters and sound should be very much clear with your child. So whenever you are teaching, जब भी आप उनको सिखाते हो तो उनका ए बी सी डी एंड ऑल ये सब उनका एकदम अच्छे से परफेक्टली होना चाहिए. एंड प्लस द साउंड्स ऑफ द लेटर्स भी उनका ऑलरेडी क्लियर होना चाहिए. फॉर दिस साउंड्स ऑफ द लेटर ऑलरेडी वी हैव थॉट योर चिल्ड्रेन, ऑलरेडी उनको सिखाया गया है कि व्हाट इज द साउंड फॉर ईच एंड एवरी लेटर. So today I'm going to show you the easy way कि आप अपने बच्चों को rhyming words कैसे सिखाओगे. Before that, I just want to ask the parents that how many letters are there in the alphabet, in English alphabet? Can anyone give me the answer in the chat box? Just say me how many, I think, yes. How many letters are there? Yes, 26. Very good. There are 26 letters in the alphabet A to Z. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, thank you very much. And from that 26 letters, how many are the vowels? कितने vowels होते हैं? कितने vowels होते हैं? Yes, very good. There are 5 vowels. Yes, and the remaining are 21 consonant. The letters which are remaining, they are known as consonant. And how many consonants are there? 21 consonant. Very good. And what are the vowels? Wait a minute. Parents, please wait. Okay. So 5 are vowels and the remaining letters which are not vowels, they are known as consonant and they are 21 consonant. So here, whenever you teach your child, आपको उनको उनका vowels and consonant का concept clear करना है. So how you are going to clear it? I'm just going to share a screen with you that how you are going to teach your child about vowels and consonant. Okay, so these are the vowels. These are the vowels that everyone knows. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. Yes, and these vowels also have their own sound. So now the first vowel is A. A for apple. This your child knows it very nicely. A for apple. Okay, now how you are going to spell this? आप इसको कैसे पढ़ोगे? A for apple, apple. So what is the sound for letter A? It is A. What is the sound for letter A? It is A. Yes. Now coming to the next one. That is E. Now it is very easy when you show pictures to your children. जब आप अपने बच्चों को pictures देते हो, they can easily identify कर सकते हैं वो. So when they identify the picture, उनको आप उनका beginning sound भी पूछ सकते हो. So here E is for elephant. So what is the beginning sound of elephant? It is E. So what is the sound for letter E? It is A. A, elephant. Yes. A says A, E says E, and I. Now I for insect. You can see over here. I for insects. So what do I say? What is the sound for I? It is E. E, E, insect. Yes. I says E, 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 insect. Now, next one is O. So, what do O says? O for octopus. You can see over here octopus. Yes. Now, what is the sound for letter O? It is octopus. Octopus. Yes. Now, coming to the last vowel. Coming to the last vowel. Yes. And the last vowel is U. Now you can see a picture picture. What is this picture? This is an umbrella. So what do you says? You says a umbrella. These are the 5 vowels. So in this way you can teach your child. आप उनको pictures दिखा सकते हैं और उनको recognize करने के लिए आप बोल सकते हैं. And you can ask the sound to them. A says a, E says a, I says e, O says a, and U says a. And this was the vowel. Okay, and this was the vowel. Now after vowel, the remaining letters are consonant. You can see the remaining letters are consonant. So these are 21 consonant. Now आपको उसमें भी ऐसा लगता होगा कि हम हमारे बच्चों को वॉवल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए सिखाएंगे. हमने उनको साउंड सिखाया, उनको पिक्चर्स दिखाया, बट इन एनी वर्ड, जब हम उनको कोई वर्ड देते हैं, in that how my child is going to identify. So here is a simple way. What you have to do, just you have to write some words. Now जब आप कोई word लिखते हो नोटबुक में और on the, आप कोई पिक्चर्स उनको शो करते हो, you have to show the pictures and their spellings also. आपको pictures, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया स्क्रीन पे, you can see so many pictures. You can see watermelon, you can see children's wearing uniform, tomato, and here is a rainbow. In this way you can draw some pictures, you can name them, or if you don't know, you don't want to draw, even you can write the names. आप कोई भी names लिख सकते हो. For example, family members, there are so many members in your family. Just write down the names. आपको सबका name लिखना है. And tell your child to identify the vowels and consonant from them. What you have to do, आपको just आपके child को ये बोलना है कि आपको identify करना है इसमें से which are the vowels and which are the consonant. Now say them to look at the letters. यहाँ पे जैसे I have written over here watermelon, उनको आपको just ये कहना है कि just look at this, and from here ये watermelon से how many other consonant, you have to just circle the, sorry, you have to just circle the vowels. Now here, which are the vowels? Can you see which are the vowels in this? Yes, A, E, again over here E, and here is a O. In this way आप अपने child को vowels circle करने के लिए कह सकते हैं. You can say them to identify the vowels. Yes. So now when they are circling it or they are under, उनको tick mark करे or they are circling it, just ask them the sound for the vowel. What is the sound for letter A? What is the sound for letter E and O? In this way, the concept of vowel and consonant will be clear with your child. So आप क्या कर सकते हो घर में? You just have to write some words and say your child to identify the vowels and consonant. See here in the next picture you can see here rainbow. In this rainbow I have to just underline the consonant. Now which are the consonant over here? Now हमें पता है there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. तो जो remaining letters है that are consonant. For example R. R is a consonant. A is a consonant. Ask them. आपको पूछना A consonant है या vowel है? No, A is a vowel. It is not a consonant. So I is a vowel. N is a vowel. No, N is a consonant. So they have to just underline the letter N. Again you have to ask B is a vowel or consonant? B is a consonant. तो वो क्या करेंगे? वहाँ पे उसको underline करेंगे. In this way you can just clear the concept of vowel and consonant with your child. Okay, so today parents, I'm going to show that each vowels are having their own family. Each vowels are having their own family. So let us see. Yes, this is the word family A. Our first vowel. हमारा first vowel कौन सा है? A. Which is our first vowel? It is A. So our first vowel is A, and this is the word family for letter A. Okay, and what is the sound for letter A? आप कैसे सिखाओगे उनको just पूछना कि what is the sound for letter A? It is A. What is the sound for letter A? A. सो इन दिस वे, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे स्क्रीन में लेटर्स लिखे हैं, इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट some letters, some words on the notebook. For example, AT, see this first one, AT. Okay, this is the first word family, and the next one is AP, app. So how you are going to teach your child? आप उनको कैसे सिखाओगे? First, आपको directly ऐसे नहीं सिखाना है AT, at. This is the wrong way. You have to teach each and every letter with their sound. With their sound. So first, what is the sound for letter A? It is A. What is the sound for letter A? It is A. Yes. And now the next one is T. So what is the sound for letter T? It's ch, ch, ch. Yes. The sound for letter T is ch. Yes. Now you have to say your child कि हम जब A और T को blend करते हैं, उनको combine करते हैं, so you get a new sound, and that is a, ch, at. Yes. When you combine A and T, a and ch, you get a new sound, and that is ach. Yes. Now आपने उनको at बताया. So related to this word family, आपको क्या करना है? आपको कुछ pictures draw करना है. Okay, see here, you can see over here, and you have to just name the first picture. आपको क्या करना है? आपको first picture draw करना है और उसको name करना है. And the first picture is fat. So how your child is going to read? आप उनको कैसे सिखाओगे? FAT, 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 fat. No, this is the wrong way of pronouncing any word. You have to teach with the help of sound. Now here, the first letter is F. So what is the sound for letter F? It is F. What is the sound for letter F? It is F. So how you are going to teach them? F, A, ch, fat. आप अपने child को ये बोल सकते हो कि आपको you have to just recognize the first letter and the last letter. आपको उनको पूछना है कि what is the sound for the first letter? It is F. Now, what is the sound of the last ending letter? It is T, means ch. T means ch. Yes, F and ch. So now, which letter is in the middle? बीच में कौन सा letter है? It is A. So what is the sound for letter A? It is A. Yes. Now, just read each and every letter with the help of sound. F, A, ch. Yes, F, A, ch. Now combine, blend it. आपको सबको तीनों को साथ में लाना है. How you are going to read it? F, at, fat. F, at, fat. So in this way, आप अपने child को सिखाओगे. And see here, I have drawn more picture over here. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको similar एंडिंग साउंड के आपको पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करना है, जो एंडिंग साउंड जिसका सेम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट, फैट एंड हियर इज अ हैट. तो आपको कॉमन क्या दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पे? एंडिंग साउंड. द एंडिंग साउंड ऑफ ईच वर्ड्स आर सेम. यस. सो हियर द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड इज ऑल्सो क्लियर विथ योर चाइल्ड. आपको उनको ऐसे सिखाना है कि आपको जस्ट एंडिंग साउंड देखना है. At, fat, hat. Then here, see the picture. Yes, they are going to identify it. Mummy, it is a rat. Yes, rat. But उसका beginning sound क्या है? R. So what is the sound for letter R? It is R. Yes. What is the sound for letter R? It is R. Yes. So here, say them to read the words. At, fat, hat, rat. Yes, in this way the concept of rhyming word is also clear with your child. So now what is the rhyming word? Rhyming word क्या होता है? जिसका ending sound same होता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Rhyming word. Yes. Now coming to the next family. The next word family is AP, app. Here you can see AP, app. Now what is the sound for letter A? It is A. Yes, and sound for letter P is P. What is the sound for letter P? P. तो इसको हमको क्या करना है? Blend करना है. App, app. Yes, app, In the same way, you have to draw some pictures related to app family. आपको क्या करना है? App family से related आपको उनको pictures show करना है, or you can draw in the books and you have to say them to identify. उनको identify करने के लिए कहिए कि what is this picture? They are going to say, Mama, it is a cat. Yes. Now ask the beginning sound, the end sound and the मिडिल साउंड. आपको उनको बिगनिंग साउंड पूछना है. कैप किससे स्टार्ट होता है? कौन से लेटर से? सी. सो व्हाट इज द साउंड फॉर लेटर सी? क. यस, वेरी गुड. नाउ कैप का एंडिंग साउंड क्या है? प. सो प मीन्स पी. यस, क एंड प. नाउ विच लेटर इज इन द मिडिल? आप जब कैप बोलते हो तो आपको कौन सा साउंड सुनाई देता है? क, आ, प. A means A. Yes, very good. So now write the spelling. K, A, P, C, A, P, cap. Yes, now it is very much clear. In the same way, आपको related और pictures draw करना है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे draw किया है. Map, tap, and आपको उनको ऐसे ही बताना है कि beginning क्या है, ending sound क्या है, middle sound क्या है, and the concept is clear with them. Now coming to the next family, the next word family, again it is A, and you can see A and an over here. Yes. In the same way, you have to teach a, n. Now, how you are going to spell N? N का sound न नहीं होता है. Now parents, can you see me on the screen? आपको मेरा वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes. Now how you are going to say N? When you say N, ये जो आपका टंग है, ये टंग आपका ऊपर टच होना चाहिए. And you have to say just everyone touch your tongue up and say everyone touch your tongue up and say yes. So this is the right sound of letter N. N को हम न नहीं बोलते हैं, न नहीं बोलते हैं. We have to touch our tongue up and we have to say yes. A says a, N says and when we combine both the letters, it says an. 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 Yes. An. Yes. In same way, you have to draw pictures related to the an family. आपको pictures draw करना है. आपके child को identify करने के लिए कहना है. As I have drawn fan, pan, and you can see over here this picture. This is a van. Yes. Now you have to ask the beginning sound for van. Beginning sound क्या है? V means V. V. For V, how we are going to say? V. Don't say V. V नहीं बोलना है. You have to see V. You have to just say V. You have to just say V. So what is the beginning sound of this letter? It is V. V means V. V means V. So here you have to write V. Now you can read this an, fan, pan, van. It's so easy. In this way you can teach your child. आपको just pictures draw करना है, related pictures आपको बताना है. Ending sound you have to say them. An, fan, pan, van. तो यहाँ पे सबका जो ending sound है, it is same. An, fan, van, man, ran, yes, can. So आप उनसे और भी related words, rhyming words उनको इस तरीके से पूछ सकते हैं. Same with the AG family. AG is ag. AG is ag, bag, rag, and this is a tag. So यहाँ पे again you have to ask for the beginning word, and that is T. Ch. T says ch. T says ch. So the concept for word family A is clear. Okay, now coming to the next word family, and that is E. The next word family is E. Yes, and how you are going to teach word family E? Again, in the same way, what is the sound for letter E? What is the sound for letter E? It is A. What is the sound for letter E? A. Yes. Now you can see on the screen this one, E and D. how you are going to teach your child? आप कैसे teach करोगे? Teach with the help of sound. E says a, E says a, and what do D says? D says j, D says j, E says a, and D says j. And when we combine both the letters, the sound becomes ed. The sounds becomes ed. Yes. Now you can see a picture of a bed over here. Yes, a picture of a bed. Now what is the beginning letter for bed? It is b. B. B means B. B. A. J. Bed. B. A. J. Bed. Yes, in this way you have to teach your child, and isse related you have to draw more pictures. See, the ending sound for each letter is the same. You can see the ending sound over here. Wait a minute. Ending sound of each letters are same. You can see ed, ed, that is ed. Bed, ed. Only the beginning sounds are going to change. Yes. Now coming to the next picture. See, you can see a girl over here. She is feeding, fed. वो duck को खाना खिला रही है. Yes, you can see. So you have to ask your child, recognize the picture. आपको उनको recognize करने के लिए कहना है. Recognize the picture. So what is the beginning sound of this letter? It is f. F means F. F, ed. Fed. Yes. Now say them to read the words. अब उनको आप क्या करोगे? उनको आप words read करने के लिए कहोगे. Ed, bed, read, fed. Yes. In this way you can teach the ed family. Coming to the next is the en family. En family. That is a, n, a, n, n, a, n, n, a, n, n. Yes. Here draw a picture related to n family. आपको उससे related pictures draw करना है. For example, a pen. When you draw a pen, a child will easily recognize the picture. वो easily recognize करेगा. मम्मा ये तो pen है. Yes. Now what is the beginning sound for pen? P. What is the sound for P? P. P. N. Pen. P. N. Pen. Yes. Now say them to find out more words जिसका साउंड एंडिंग साउंड सिमिलर होता है. उनको आप ऐसे बोलिए कि एंडिंग साउंड जिसका सिमिलर होता है उसका आपको वर्ड्स ढूंढना है. सो हियर इज अ हेन. सी, एंडिंग साउंड दोनों का सेम है. पेन, हेन, पेन, हेन. यस और नो? सो दीज आर द राइमिंग वर्ड्स. यस. नाउ शो मोर पिक्चर्स रिलेटेड टू द एन फैमिली. आपको और पिक्चर्स शो करने हैं. हियर इज अ den. Yes. So आपको क्या करना है? आपके बच्चों को पिक्चर्स रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए कहना है. एंड यू हैव टू आस्क द बिगनिंग साउंड फॉर द den. What is the beginning sound for den? It is the. Means D. Yes. The means D. So your child is going to write over here. The and den. The and den. D E N den. Yes. So whenever you टीच योर चाइल्ड, जब भी आप घर पे उनको सिखाते हो तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ साउंड आपको सिखाना है. आपको सिखाना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ साउंड. एन, पेन, हैन, देन. यस. सो दिस वाज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड फैमिली, एंड अगेन इट इज अ वर्ड फैमिली ई. ई सेज ए. E says eh. Yes. Now here E says eh and G says g. G says g. Yes. In the same way आपको teach करना है. See here. Draw the pictures related. B E G, bag. B, egg, bag. Now here it is leg. What is the beginning sound of leg? It is L. L, egg, leg. Yes. Now here is a picture. Now can you identify this picture? It is a, yes, a clip which you Yes, आप कपड़े सुखाने के टाइम पे ये क्लिप यूज करते हैं. So what do we call it? We call this as peg. What do we call it? Peg. So what is the beginning sound for peg? आपको beginning में कौन सा sound सुनाई दिया? P. P means P. Yes, P means P. P, egg, peg. Egg, bag, leg and peg. In the same way, at family. H, H. So आपको related pictures उनको show करना है. Like wet, you can see a jet, and here just say your child to recognize it is a net. So what is the beginning sound for net? It's N. Mm. Yes, N. Mm. N. N-E-T, net. So in this way आप उनको worksheets बना के दे सकते हो. और here also you can see more worksheet. आप उनको beginning sound का worksheets भी दे सकते हो. आपको just pictures draw करना है and say your child to identify the pictures. उनको pictures identify करने कहना है. See here, so many pictures are there. आप उनको pictures draw करके दीजिए. उनको beginning sound पूछिए. What is the beginning sound of the letter? In this way you can solve the worksheet with them. Or see here, beginning and end sound का worksheet भी आप उनसे solve करवा सकते हो. Here you can see a cat on the screen. आपको cat दिखाई दे रहा है screen पे. Yes, so what is the beginning sound for cat? It is, yes, C, K, and the end sound is Ch. So say them to read the letters. K, A, Ch. Yes, K, A, Ch means cat. K, A, Ch means cat. K is for C, A is for A, and Ch is for T. So in this way आप उनको घर पे सिखा सकते हो. Here you can see a can. Yes. So what is the beginning sound for can? It is K. K means C. K, A, and what is the ending sound? N. What is the ending sound? N. Yes. So here the words are ready. So easy. Just उनका concept clear कीजिए. Beginning sound, ending sound और middle sound का. So it will be very much easy for your child to understand the rhyming words. So parents, hope you all have understood the concept of rhyming word, how you all are going to teach your children at home. If any of the parents have any queries, they can put down your queries in the chat box.